who will sleep more? Very challenge between me and you.
Oh, hmm. But today, yeah, unfortunately, yeah. So
Yeah.
I have some plan.
Oh, you have some plans. So,
Yeah, actually, so
oh,
so I have decided I should visit with my friend's home.
oh, you want to visit?
Yes, I want. Yeah.
I also want to
So
visit.
that's why after.
I also want to visit with you.
Okay, then come here. So we'll go together.
Really?
Yeah, really. Hmm.
Just I am.
So yesterday.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, you please go ahead. I want to listen. Yeah. Speak.
What was there?
Yesterday, yeah,
Okay,
yesterday.
yeah, yes. Yeah. So yesterday, yeah, I watched. Yeah, so I watched your video, the one video. In you deliver to some motivate is the messages.
Yeah, to my students.
Yes, yeah, might be. Actually, I forgot.
Yeah, I was on the stage in front of my all students.
Oh, so they are your student.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
I was delivering.
Student like, the student like your, the school student or is the institute student?
Yeah, like you can watch, you can see. I think maybe you didn't watch completely, so that's why you don't know. In the last, yeah, you can watch.
Yeah, only I watched the middle part.
Oh, middle part, yeah. You should have
Yeah.
watched completely, so that's why you can know.
Okay. Then, yeah. After some time, yeah, I will watch again.
Okay, okay. So how is going your life?
Yeah, as usually it's going on.
Oh,
Yeah, it's as usual. Or so, what about you?
yeah,
Is something special?
yeah, same like you.
No, so right now you are you are a college student. So how can be possible?
No, it can be possible because we are friends. Nowadays, I have no any special work, just teaching, studying, and doing some work. Yes, like this. This is very simple work. This is not like, yeah. I want to
But
do.
it's the little bit difference from yeah from my work.
Yeah,
So if I compare to your work and my work,
but I want to do big work in my life, in my future.
yeah, so you can. So still you are studying, so you have available time to how to say.
Oh,
So you have बहुत ज़्यादा time है how to say.
oh yeah, I have. Yeah, I have a lot time.
Yes, you have a lot of time.
No,
So,
it's not like that.
So you.
But
So how come?
yeah, I have a lot of time, but according to my time, with the right time, just I have to take the advantage of my hard work, advantage of my yes struggle. Yeah.
But you should keep it going. और
Yeah,
इसका बाद अच्छा हो जाएगा.
सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा यस.
Yes. क्यों नहीं अच्छा होगा.
अच्छा ही होगा.
हाँ अच्छा ही होगा.
तब आप कैसे हैं?
अच्छा हूँ.
अच्छा हूँ.
Yes.
क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing now?
अभी ऐसे ही बैठ रहा हूँ और ऐसा ही बैठ रही हूँ और इसके बाद मैं मैं मार्केट जाऊंगी
uh, और
और मार्केट जाऊंगी और मेरे दोस्त के साथ और कुछ खरीद लूंगी
okay
मेरे लिए.
okay
Yes.
good you can buy what will you buy
Yeah, let's see. So,
what
so
will you
what
buy
will you buy? Yeah, let's see. So I just want to buy some clothes.
you want to buy some clothes
Yes, some
oh
clothes. I need some clothes or some long pants. How to say the jeans
what
or some slipper,
slippers yes
slipper jeans. Yeah. So this thing I need. So that's why yeah,
oh
I'll go and purchase it. So are you doing something?
no just I am going to out of my home because my father is coming to my home and he is calling to my sister-in-law
Oh. Okay, so how is the weather today
yeah weather is
in
sunny
your area?
yeah weather is sunny sunny
Okay, it's sunny. Okay, it's
oh
sunny weather over
sunny
there. Hmm.
oh sunny how are you
Sorry. No, I'm not sunny.
who are you weather is sunny and I am talking to Sunny.
Oh, so it means so there is sunny. So it's your friend's name.
No.
So are you talking about me?
Yes, I'm talking about you. You are Sunny.
Okay. Okay, I'm Sunny.
Yes, you are
Yeah,
Sunny.
it's Sunny is a boy name, you know?
Yeah, it is also boy name. It is also girl's name.
Okay, so where did you hear
Yeah, from many
that the
places.
Sunny is a girl's name?
Yeah, from many
But
places.
so far I never heard.
Okay, after talking to you, I will
Okay.
tell you.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah, so how is weather in your side?
In my side, it has been raining on and off.
Yeah, also same here. It has been
Oh,
raining for 2 or 3 days.
oh, okay, I see.
Yeah,
So
maybe.
what about your harvesting time? Yeah. So
Yeah, it's going good.
in
Yeah, it's going good. Rice paddy is growing.
mhm,
Yeah, and
okay,
it's green.
okay. So so which month? Yeah. So will you
Which one?
harvest the crop? Yeah. So which month
Yeah,
will
which
you
month?
harvest the crop? Yes, which month?
Yeah, like maybe. mm, I think.
September, October,
No.
in October,
Yeah, in October or November.
November.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
Okay,
maybe
between
in
October
October.
and
Yes, in October. Yes.
okay. Yeah, it's good then. Yeah, actually, so nowadays I am in Itanagar. 1 week ago, yeah, I came here in Itanagar.
Itanagar. Where is it?
Yes, it's a capital name.
Oh, it's capital name.
Yeah, Arunachal capital name.
Oh, Arunachal Pradesh.
Yeah, Arunachal Pradesh. Yeah, Itanagar is the capital name. So,
Oh,
week ago, yeah, I came here
oh, nice.
in Itanagar.
I.
Yes,
How is that place?
this place, yeah, it's too hot.
Too hot.
Means, yeah, it's a hot place.
Are you also feeling hot?
If I compare to my so right now, yeah, so I don't feel any hot because it's raining right now.
Right now it's
Or
raining.
so when it's sunny, yeah.
You are
So
feeling
when
hot.
so it is sunny in that time, yeah, I feel hot.
Oh, you should take ice cream.
Day before yesterday, yeah, I took it
Yeah, yesterday.
2 times. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yesterday I also took ice cream.
Okay. So which flavor? So did you take
I
it?
yeah I did
Did
not
you have it?
um, like I did not notice that which flavor was that.
Ah.
Just I I was in hurry. I was in like happy mood, I was in happy mood, and I got from my student like yeah, yesterday was the birthday of my student, so she gave ice
Uh-huh.
cream, yeah, to me and other student, and also
Uh-huh.
she also gave sweet maja.
Okay, so that's why you
Yeah,
you did not notice
yeah, I did not notice.
which flavor so it was.
Yeah, just like that was tasty.
Okay, so how was the taste?
Yeah,
It was a good or it was a normal
it no, it was
or it
very
was very delicious.
it was very delicious.
Wow. Oh, yeah, I want. So I want to have it.
Oh, okay, I will send you. I will send you only the photo.
On WhatsApp.
Yeah, you can just only see.
Yeah, okay, why? So why
Suppose
not?
that suppose that
Uh,
you
it,
can suppose that you can imagine that I am taking this ice cream.
so by that time I will take some chocolate or in that time yeah. So I feel that yeah it's like a ice cream like that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Or so yesterday did you go to college?
Yesterday?
Yes. Yesterday did you go to college?
Yes, yes, I went.
Yeah, it's good then.
Yeah.
Or so now where are you? I think you are outside of your
Yeah,
home.
now I have come in my garden.
Oh, so what are you going to do?
Just I am walking here. It is like so cool place, and there is
Oh,
green area. This is green garden.
okay. How far? Uh,
Yeah, just only
your garden from home?
yeah. It my garden is situated behind my home, and it is
Oh,
yeah. It is around four few steps far from my home.
only four step.
Not only four, like maybe around 50 steps.
Okay, it's very close to your home.
Yeah, very close. Just I can come here within 1 minute or 2 minutes. Within 1 minute.
Mm. Wow, then it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, so nowadays, so are you practicing with anyone?
No, after a long time today I'm talking to you. You are so lucky.
Uh, yeah. So I feel I'm very lucky.
Yeah, me too, me too. Me too, Sunny.
So just before, yeah. So just before uh, I was searching
Oh,
to English partner,
oh. Then finally you got.
but yeah. So finally I got, but I did not drop any message in that group.
Oh,
Finally, yeah. Yeah. Suddenly I got you. Yeah.
oh. Yeah, when I saw your message,
Yes.
then I thought, oh, maybe you are free, so I should call you.
Ah.
Okay,
So yesterday,
I am going to show you my garden. Okay.